Okay, I use this $12 toner every night for 2 weeks. My skin is not the same. This is the ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% toner. 7% AH, it dissolves dead skin cells without any scrubbing. Aloe, Ginseng, Tasmanian Pepperberry keep it calm while it works. At night after cleansing, just pour a little onto a cotton pad. That golden watery liquid, that's the AHA working. Sweep it across your face and neck. No rinse, no waiting. Just let it work overnight. You might feel a light tingle, totally normal. So after some minutes, my skin felt smoother like never before. The texture on my cheeks, just gone. And that dullness from stress and pollution starting to fade. Zero irritation the whole time. Then the tone is visibly more even. My skin looked brighter without any filter. This bottle is also massive. It lasts months, actually. One of the best things I've added to my PM routine. Dull skin, rough texture, uneven tone, and you're on a budget? Link is in the description. It's on Amazon, under $15. Go get it. Your skin will thank you. Mine already did.